Welcome to my little pictorial of our Venetian adventure. As usual, you'll see a mixture of video and stills in no particular order that will give you a real life, meaning not out of a brochure, view of what it's like to experience this ancient city on foot. Why on foot? Because no cars are allowed in the city. We are approaching Venice now in our water taxi ride from the airport. Enrico,
yes.
Where are all these boats going?
These ones are the public transport of Venice, so they're like our city buses.
It's like the bus?
Yes, you go on a floating pontoon at the bus stop.
It's like our MARTA system.
Run on a schedule, wait for the next one, and things like that.
Okay. Almost there.
To destination. Yes. There's a day, very quick. No, you don't need a dryer.
So people park their boats out here, like
See, when, so we
like
are
it's a car?
The residents. You have if you live in an area where you're facing the water, one of the canals. You apply to the city hall. They give you like a license to put your car there or your boat there.
Okay. What is this impressive? This
This is a school.
official.
High school.
Okay.
Actually, next building with the garden is where I used to attend high school.
Oh.
So I literally would go inside this garden to class.
They say the island of Venice is not that big.
No.
Is it like Manhattan?
Similar. It's two north-south 0.6 miles. East to west 1.4 miles. 0.6 like 0.6.
Oh, so we can walk. I walk farther than
Except for
that.
it's very complicated because it's not
Because of
by
all the
grids
isles.
like Manhattan. This is it's a cluster of 118 islands connected by 400 bridges. And you can tell that you see the canals, you see people walking, but it's never a straight line. There's a lot of dead ends. So it's a complicated but very nice city to explore.
Yeah.
But not as easy to raise or to manage because of the lack of routes. So we don't go by car. We one of the 400. So just a few ones are not public. Some of them ending to this is actually you can walk that side. Some of them are just a few they end to a door of someone's palace.
I see. Very interesting. Oh, it's a perfect day. It's about 80 degrees out here. Burano. Burano with a B. A town known for its small, brightly painted houses. The colors of the houses follow a specific system, originating from the days of its inception. If someone wishes to paint a home, one must send a request to the government, who will respond by making notice of certain colors that are permitted for that lot. The island, yes, the island, is considered among the 10 most colorful places in the world, and I just love walking through there. Oh yeah, it's also known for centuries for their unique method of making beautiful lace. Oh my God, look at this little store. It's literally a closet full of touristy, this and that. If you look closely, there's a man sitting in the back surrounded by all his inventory like it's his kingdom. What a job. Okay, so you'll see some photos of glass art. Aren't those vases beautiful? This is on the island of Murano with an M. The other island with the colorful houses was the island of Burano with a B. The photo of the guns? Yep, made completely of glass. Anyway, Venetian buildings and houses were made mostly of wood at that time, which often resulted in big fires. That's why the Doge, the head guy in charge, moved all the glass makers to the Murano island, which also helped keep their glass-making method a secret. The Murano glass masters were considered aristocrats and enjoyed many privileges, including the right to marry the daughters of those of the upper class. The picture you see of the Joker is made from hundreds of glass chips. If you ever come across a piece of glass labeled Murano glass, snap it up. It's valuable. Look at the inside of this church. We found it on a lonely street. No one was outside. We tried the doors and they opened. So we went in and found the surprise, 600 years old. They poured every ounce of love into this design. Wow. This is the view from the Bridge of Sighs. It's a bridge on the way to the dungeon in the Doge's palace. They call it the Bridge of Sighs because it was the last view of the outside world that a prisoner would see on his way to the dungeon. And then he would go, and that's why it's called the Bridge of Sighs. This is the Libreria Acqua Alta. Keeping a collection of books in a city where the roads are made of water is a weird idea to begin with, but Venice's Libreria Acqua Alta, I have to say that slowly, has nothing to fear since they just keep all their stuff in waterproof basins. It's called the most beautiful bookstore in the world. I wouldn't say that, but it's definitely a fascinating one. It's a number of overstuffed rooms stacked wall to wall with books, magazines, maps, and other stuff. Due to Venice's constant flooding, however, these piles are all placed inside bathtubs, waterproof bins, and in one room, as you can see, a full-size gondola. Again, the name itself means bookstore of high water. When the local waterways rise, the water can rise several inches, which would destroy anybody else's collection. Very interesting. Let's see if I can get out. Oh, you can go through. Wow. Look at the ceiling, Tim. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not property managing here. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you, thank you. And we're out. So this door is so interesting. We came down this alleyway to see if this is a dead end or not. I feel like it might be a dead end.
It says dead end.
Wait, it says it?
No, I can see the side.
No, there's something here.
Okay.
It's not a dead end.
Oh, it's a kick out.
Aha.
Wow.
This place is fun.
Look at the house above it.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Where are we coming to? Yet another bridge? One of 400. As you can see, I'm fascinated by these ancient ceilings. How'd they do all that upside down? Here are some random shots as I close out. Love the whole dining al fresco thing, dining outside, along a bridge, in a plaza, along the Grand Canal. Lovely, just lovely. All in all, I've got to tell you, Venice ranks as one of the most fascinating places we've traveled to. I'm so grateful for the opportunity to have these experiences. Someone used to share their frequent travels abroad with me, which lit a fire in my belly to explore whenever I have the chance. I'm hoping my sharing will do the same for you. Thanks for coming to Venice with me. Y'all make it a great day and be nice to each other. Bye.